Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's go. In tabletop position, stack everything. And we're going to cat-cow. So in honor of, head up into cow, open the shoulder blades, tuck the chin to the chest, and then drop the belly. I like a neutral gaze. A lot of people like to go up with the chin, but it's up to you, whatever you feel. So cycle through cat-cow, incorporating the breath. Inhale up to cat, open the shoulder blades, and then drop the belly into cow. So in honor of 20,000 subscribers, keep cycling through. We are going into 20 reps each of our movements. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a little challenging. I just went over the workout with Laura and just going through it, and we were just like, ooh, this is burning. So we got a lot for you. We're excited. We're gonna really get into that summer body and get your booty. We're gonna do that non-surgical butt lift. You don't need a BBL. We got you. Just naturally grow your glutes, get your booty, and we're gonna hit all corners of your gluteus maximus today. What word do you like to describe the booty? Peach?
Yeah, peach. Peach is a good one.
We're gonna take our right leg all the way back, and we're really gonna get into the full sides, all sides of the peach. All right, you're gonna bring your leg, elevate the leg, that's what we're trying to say. Make sure your foot is nice and flexed, and then we're gonna tap our toe down. So tap the toe, and then lift the heel. Tap and lift. Try to keep the activation in the glutes while you are pushing and pressing into the heel. So a beautiful flex into the heel as you squeeze up. So you don't have to do a bunch of squats to get the booty right. You know, you can get down on the mat. All of these movements that we're doing today are on the mat, so we're not standing for anything today. And you can modify, always listen to your body, using control. I know we're doing 20 of them, but really you can go at your own speed. You can go super fast with this, or you can kind of like take your time and go through. Incorporate. You got one more. Hold it in to your Spider-Man, and then you're gonna pulse it up. Go pulse. 19, 18, 17, go, 16, ooh, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, woo, go, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, got it, 5, hold strong, 3, 2, hold on, 1, you're gonna kick out, kick, nice superhero kick.